Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, September 30th. Today, our update will be provided by none other than Assistant Chief Saul Kanoho. Saul is a great person, great husband, great dad, and he's a great firefighter who's given up 27 of his years to keep this island and her people safe. He's also our unified commander here at the EOC and our incident management team. He responds to disasters, both small and large, hurricanes, floods, and of course, COVID-19. So it's with great sadness and it's a little bittersweet that we bid farewell to Saul today, but he's going to be providing our update. So with that being said, Saul, take it away.
Thank you, Mayor. It's been an honor and a privilege. The majority of our cases this week are close contacts of previously announced cases or are tied to one of our active clusters. The good news is that our daily case counts continue to show a modest decline following a spike over these last 2 months. Our average test positivity rate was over 5% for several weeks, and it is now down to about 4%. At the beginning of this summer, it was nearly zero. Mahalo to all of you for taking steps to slow the spread of this disease. For the latest, we turn to Kauai Deputy District Health Officer Lauren Guest.
Thanks, Saul. We continue to monitor a number of active clusters on Kauai: 4 restaurants, 4 other occupational settings, 2 places of worship, 2 educational settings, 1 construction/industrial setting, 1 social gathering, and 1 cluster related to travel, lodging, and tourism. Today, the Kauai District Health Office is reporting 25 new cases, including 8 children. Over the previous 2 days, we confirmed a total of 36 cases, including 9 children. 3 of these cases are visitors, and the other 58 are residents. Most of the infections are considered community acquired and are related to an active cluster or a previously identified case. Active cases are directed to isolate, and close contacts are being identified, offered testing, and directed to quarantine. Investigations are ongoing. Today's cases bring the number of active cases to 155, with 7 hospitalized. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we've had 2,346 total cases. Last week, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention approved booster doses of the Pfizer vaccine for certain individuals, but not for everyone. Booster doses of the Pfizer vaccine are now available for those ages 65 and older, or adults with underlying health conditions, or who are at high risk for occupational or institutional exposure. If you're in one of these groups, boosters are available 6 months later after your second Pfizer dose. To accommodate the increase in demand, Wilcox Medical Center will open its vaccine clinic this Friday, October 1st from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., in addition to its regular Wednesday clinic by appointment only. To make an appointment at Wilcox, visit wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine. Pfizer boosters will also be available at KVMH and Mahilona hospitals by walk-in only. The clinic at KVMH will be open every Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and at Mahilona every Thursday from 9 to 2. Pfizer boosters are also available at pharmacy locations like Long's, Safeway, Walmart, Costco, and Kaiser Permanente. For a full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Booster doses have only been approved for certain groups who receive the Pfizer vaccine at this time. Recommendations from Moderna and Johnson & Johnson are expected in the weeks to come.
Thanks, Lauren, and congratulations on your well-deserved promotion to Deputy District Health Officer, and thanks for your many hours of hard work for Kauai throughout this pandemic. We are working with Governor Ige on his next emergency order. We're expecting him to continue the indoor mask mandate, maintain current gathering limit sizes, and extend the Safe Travels program. At the county level, we are working to eliminate the tier system while continuing our protocols for professionally organized events. Social gatherings are limited to 25 outdoors or 10 indoors. Masks are required indoors, and violators are subject to a $250 fine, and organizers and business owners are subject to a $500 fine. To report a violation, please call KPD. Professionally organized events over 50 people must submit their safety plans to the Kauai Emergency Management Agency in advance. For details, visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. Free COVID testing is available around the island. Our mobile testing van will be at the Kalaheo Neighborhood Center on Friday, Hanalei Neighborhood Center on Saturday, the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a on Sunday from 9 to 1 each day. No appointments are needed. Results will be provided the same day. For a full list of testing options, visit kauai.gov/COVID-test. Kauai is falling behind the rest of the state on vaccinations. 65% of us are now fully vaccinated, while the statewide rate is at nearly 68%. We hate seeing unvaccinated people in our community getting sick. Sadly, over the past 2 months, we have lost 9 Kauai residents to this disease. The vaccines are highly effective at reducing severe illness and death. I got mine as soon as first responders were eligible last December. I know a lot of people have concerns. If you know someone who is still unsure, please take the time to listen and answer their questions. These vaccines have been safely given to millions of people, and they are effective. Our partners are holding pop-up clinics to make it as convenient as possible. The team from Ho'ola Lahui will be at Isenberg Park in Lihui this Saturday morning, October 2nd, from 9 to 11 a.m. Our hospital partners will be at the Hanapepe Neighborhood Center on Friday afternoon and the Hanalei Neighborhood Center on Saturday from noon to 3 p.m. All of these clinics are open to ages 12 and older, and no appointments are needed. You can also get a vaccine 7 days a week at pharmacies around the island. To see all the options, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Please don't travel unless absolutely necessary. If you do, get tested. Don't gather. If you do, stay outdoors, wear a mask when around others, and stay home if you are feeling sick. Get vaccinated if you can. Mahalo, Kauai.